Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. Today we are making stuffing. Now, I don't know how things go in your family, but with us, if it doesn't come out of the bird, it's not stuffing. It's just some kind of side dish. They're a tough crowd. That being said, we're going to make this one in the oven because sometimes you need to make it a day in advance and you don't have the turkey in the oven. You will need one 12-ounce bag of cornbread stuffing croutons, half a stick of butter, 1 cup of chopped onion, 1 chopped apple, a cup of chopped celery, 2½ cups of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of scallions, and 1 cup of chopped almonds. Now, we are going to make this in the oven, but the very same recipe you can put in the bird. So let's get started. In a large skillet, melt your butter. Then add your onions, your celery, your apples, and give it a stir. Then toss in your scallions and your almonds. After this mixture becomes softened, add your stock and bring to a boil. Once the mixture comes to a boil, remove from heat and pour into your croutons. Smells great. So we just put it in our baking dish that I've coated with cooking spray. Cover and bake in a 350 oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Our stuffing is out of the oven. I baked it for 20 minutes. It should be done. Oh, it's done. Yes. Look at that. Can you see? Isn't that gorgeous? It's moist. We're just gonna give it a little taste, see if it needs anything, but I don't know, it looks pretty good. It's delicious. It's just right. You have a little crunch in there from the almonds, some sweetness from the apples. It's savory. It's like everything you would find in a cornucopia. Like you think of Thanksgiving, you think of the cornucopia. It's got fruits, nuts. That's what's in this stuffing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if there's something you would like to see me cook or if there's a question. And don't forget to subscribe because we do a lot of fun things here at home with Anita Rosner.